I have to work soon. Let's meet at the art museum at 4 o'clock.
See you at 4 o'clock. Bye.
Can I sit here?
Okay. Who are you?
I'm Sophia. I know Tom.
You do? He said he doesn't know you.
Huh. That's not true. I know Tom very well. We are from the same town.
Oh, from Paris?
No, Tom is not from Paris. He is from Fresno. Do you know Fresno?
Fresno? No. Where is that?
It's a boring town in California. Very different from Paris.
Why would Tom lie about that?
Tom likes to sound special.
Why would he lie to me?
I don't know. But Fresno is not special. So Tom likes to tell stories. Maybe. He wants you to like him. Tom, he always wants people to like him.
How do you know Tom?
We were neighbors. My family lived next door to his family. He was older than me. I was in high school when he was a teacher.
A high school teacher? He never said that.
Yes, he taught at my school. But he had to leave. There was a problem. He left Fresno after that.
What kind of a problem?
Well, I can't say. It's not my story to tell. But people in Fresno remember him. And not in a good way.
Subscribe for more of the story.